Hello friend, today I will show in this video how to make money online United States of America, Canada and Australia. Which work can be done that can work from at least $1,000 a day while sitting at homes. 5 amazing website I will share on you. 5 amazing website you can earn per day $1,000. So you can ready to earn. Please comment and like and share our in this channel every types of video you can earning related you can easy to earn money at home without any type of investment, without any type of time losing. That's all I want to say, that please keep and please watch full video. You can visit our many website, then you can earn online money. Okay, let's get started in this video. First of all, how to make money online United States of America, yani it means USA, Canada and Australia. Which work can be done that can work for at least $1,000 per day, $1,000 while sitting at home. Okay, let's get started in this video. In today's video, we are going to tell you 5 such way by which you can earn money online sitting at home without any other places, only for sit and earn money. First website is Fiverr. Fiverr is a most popular website. First of all, we know that how to work in this website. This is a popular website that can be that can be helpful for freelancer. Know something about digital animation, you can work for someone who doesn't have these skill, a pick up some extra cash. Even better, you can offer to complain web research for someone. It means the Fiverr is a most popular website in the world. Only for not it is only for USA, not it is Canada, not it is Australia. Every country, every state you can earn easily to money. First of all, highlight some features in this website. Highlights: you can make good money from the site say done Mexico, a web designer and digital strategist in Albania, New York, who runs a two-person company called Bacon Design. He says his firm earn $3,000 to $5,000 a day. You can earn a day or a month as your wish. As you hard work, then you can earn per day $3,000, or per day you can earn $5,000, or also you can earn monthly $5,000 at you each hard work. Then you can earn more monies. To stay ahead of competition, I make sure my Fiverr profile and gig description are well written and communication the value of service I am offering. When someone reach out to me, I make sure to reply as quickly as I can and follow up with the inquiry by asking good question. A quick but carefully written reply, which increase the odds of then hearing your Ventuco said. Most of all, drawback. What is the drawback in this company, in this website? Menchico success aside, Fiverr's names comes from the from the fact that many people used to work for $5 a task. If you completed any type of task, any type of designing, any type of video making, then you can minimum to pay $5 for tasks. Then time investment, how many time investment, many peoples are saying, many peoples are questions how many times in this website possible. Consider if you are asking to create a digital animation shorts for instant, that isn't something you are going to wipe off in 20 minutes, only for 20 minutes, plus it take 1 4 days you can your money to reach your bank account after you work has been approved all through are regular on Fiverr. You may get it in 7 days. After 7 days you can get the money. It is first website like this. Second website is Upwork. Same working things. Upwork is essential a meeting site. Meeting sites where business and freelancers through the world can connected and collaborate on certain project. Business hire freelancers for a variety of service, including writing, web design, and pretty much any work that can be done on a computer. Highlight some features in this company, in this website of work is highlight some features of work tax a commission from 5 to 20%. If you working in this company, then you have to pay commission 5 to 20%. If you are $100, then you can commission $5 or 5 to $20. But the money you make, the less commission you pay. Drawback, what is the drawback in this company? Upwork is a popular, so there is a lot of competition on the website, and that can be a real drawback for people who are new to Upwork. Says honors. Before I started my business in web designing, I created profile on website such as Upwork. Being it was a stringer attract on attention buyers on his platforms, because this is many type of investment. First of all, time investment, how many time in take the times, then it will be take 10 days, minimum 10 days you get paid. And like this, any third website is working is the same positions. And next is the task rabbit, working is the same position, same types of work. Then last is the offer up. It is five most popular website on the earning for online. This type of website offer up first of all website. Then next is T website like this. And next is Upwork website, and last is Fiverr.coms is most popular website. Is five way to easy to earn many money indie at home without any investment. How do you like my video? If you like my video, then channel will be subscribed, and thanks for watching. I will be meet you next video.